Hi guys, this is Harsha and this is my YouTube channel Story on Bikes. My first video where I am preparing for the Sri Salam ride. From here we'll be leaving to Sri Salam by tomorrow morning 4 o'clock, and from there we'll be leaving to my hometown Sindhanur. From there we'll be leaving to Dharwad to Bangalore. Okay, just let me refuel my bike. It's totally empty. After that, let's just buy bungee cords. It's been too many days, guys, and let's just warm up a little bit. Full tank. Card payment, na? ರೌಂಡ್ ಫಿಗರ್ ಹತ್ರ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸ್ಬಿಡಿ. 810 ಆ ಥರ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಿ.
ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ತಂದರೆ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಇದೆ ರೌಂಡ್ ಫಿಗರ್.
ಹಾಂ, ಫುಲ್ ಆದರೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಟಿಲ್ಟ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಚಲ್ತದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆದರಿಕೆ. ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆನಾ ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್ ರೇಟು? 108 ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, 105. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್.
ಹಾಂ ಹಾಂ,
కదా
900. ಹಾಂ, ಸಾಕು.
ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ತಾನೆ ಬಿಡಿ, ಅದು
ಅದಕ್ಕಂತಲ್ಲ,
ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ರೌಂಡ್ ಫಿಗರ್.
ಟ್ಯಾಪ್.
ಒಂದು ಕಾಪಿ?
ಹಾಂ,
ಒಂದು ಕಾಪಿ.
ಹಾಂ, ಒಂದು ಕಾಪಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. Menjikot. Ooh.
ಸರ್ ಬಂಜಿ ಕೊಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಎಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾರ
Bad luck. He's saying that nowhere we can find that. Just let's manage with the nylon rope. Add one nylon rope. So it's coughing a little bit. I don't know what happened with this. The Royal Enfield serviceman in the Mahadevpur area. I took them to the service. I took it to the service. Those people, they told it was a free service, and they are charging for each and every spare part change and everything. Like for oil change, they're charging separate labor, and they're saying that, sir, we won't charge that way, this way. Automatically, once we enter the part number, it comes automatically, so we don't know, sir. And that way they're saying. What's going on, or I don't know. All set, guys, for the next road trip. Srisailam Mallanna. We are coming Mallanna, not the movie Mallanna. It's a pilgrim Mallanna. Mallanna Swami pilgrim. It's unable to stand in the center stand also because the tires had increased the height now. So literally 4 inches. It's 4 inches higher than the normal regular Interceptor. These tires are Timson tires. At first they were touching here. Look at this. In the center, these buttons were touching. After that, I reduced the pressure to the 30 psi. Front tire is good, no issues. Only with the back tire. But now it's fine. At the starting itself, there was some issue. Rain. Immediately, 1 second. Literally, I don't know what I'm talking and all. This is my first video. I'm not feeling any shy or something, but something you do for the first time, it's like weird stuff, right? So I'm trying to actually record my vlogs. The thing is, I cannot store it in the hard disks or something because it's too costly. Storing it on the YouTube, and I like to share my stories. That's it. Nothing else from that. Where it's stuck? No. Yeah, that part. All set with the luggage, guys. my laptop, extra masks, my sky bag. This is what I'll be using for this trip. I didn't buy those all expensive Renox gear and all. For those I'll be using this which I brought from Amazon, the trip pole. To carry toothbrush and all, wallet, hard disk, camera, chain spray, t-shirt for the ride, book, gloves, masks, everything is set. Let's just finish up the packing. And this is the gear which I'm using for my rain gear. This bag and this cap was given by Bad Road Buddies, Apollo Tires, conducted by Apollo Tires. Let's just finished up the packing, guys. Everything packed, guys. Need to just clean up the helmet visor. It looks too dirty. Slight scratches and all. After coming from the trip, I need to change the visor also. Need to collect some cash from outside because we need some cash, right? Every time we cannot depend on the cards and UPI transactions. And get some cash and some groceries. Not like vegetables and all. Like soap, shampoo and all. Small sachets. Small sachets are good, right? Small paste, small soap, small shampoo. And this is the sanitizer extra I'll be taking. We need that. Nowadays sanitizer is most important. Sanitizer, mask, such things. We'll clear the visor and then that's it, guys.